Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some really yummy vegan recipes for you to follow through. The reason why I decided to do this video is because I was going to go for a whole vegan week, which didn't really end up happening. So instead I filmed a few vegan recipes for you that I really enjoyed eating, so I really hope that you enjoy making them too. If you do, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram at theporcelainplum. Let's go through the video and savor every meal. To know what you think about these recipes, and we'd love for you guys to comment down below if you would like to see more videos that include food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. See you again in 2 weeks for another video on my channel of Manila Manado. Thank you guys so much for watching.